Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports KRX 1000 High Impact ABS Hood Scoop. This hood fits the 2020 Plus Kawasaki KRX 2 and 4 door models. Install time is 15 to 20 minutes. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by removing the factory hood. Do this by turning the factory handle latches a quarter to a half turn until they release. Then, lift up, pull slightly forward, and remove the hood. Now, remove the factory handle latches. Do this by securely holding the hood. We just held the hood with our legs as it works sufficiently. You will need to use both hands to pry out the factory handles and rubber grommets. It might take a little prying and twisting, but they should come out fairly easily. Next, grab the new DRT hood and reinstall the factory handle latches. Snap in the rubber from the bottom, and from the top, push the latch back through, as you see here. Now that you have the latches reinstalled, set the hood in place, and turn the handle latches till they fall in place, and clamp closed, as shown. Next, make sure the hood is seated in place, and grab a Sharpie or marking utensil and mark the factory grille bodywork through the two mounting hood holes, as you see here. Then, remove the hood and set it aside. Now, grab a step drill and make some starter holes. Then, come back with an 8mm or 5/16 inch drill bit, and drill out the holes. Clean the bodywork of debris, and check the body clips will fit properly. Next, install the DRT hood back into place, and tighten the latches. Then, line up the front mounting holes, and install the two body clips, and the mounting process is complete. Now, it's time to install the DRT sticker badges. Fully clean the ABS surface area from any dirt and oils. Then, peel the red sticker backing, align the badge, and lightly press into place, as shown. Run your fingers along the edges to secure the sticker, but not too hard as to collapse the 3D raised surface. Note, the badges are slightly delicate, so be patient. Also note, what you see here is a pre-production hood, so the ABS was thinner than the actual production hood that you are installing today. So your vented hood will be thicker ABS, and won't have the flex as this hood you see here. Congrats, that completes your DRT KRX high-impact vented hood. This high-impact ABS hood scoop is essential for riders that want their UTV to stand out, with aggressive styling and a custom look. The DRT KRX hood scoop is constructed from injection molded high-impact ABS, with a bright anodized mesh insert that is paint or wrap ready. This scoop is a direct replacement for your factory plastic hood cover and only takes a few minutes to install. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.